Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change the name of this group chat on your Snapchat app. So if you want to change the name of a group chat, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your App Store or Play Store, search for Snapchat and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on the chat at the bottom. Find your group chat where you want to change the name. Now to change the name, go ahead and tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the name itself. Now you want to go ahead and think of a new name. Once you're happy, tap save. And now your group chat name has now been changed on Snapchat. So there you go, guys. That is how to change the group chat name on your Snapchat. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.